Morning, all you cool cats and kittens. Had a battery left over from when I went flying 2 days ago. Hopefully I'll be able to get that video up before this one. But yeah, I just didn't want to leave a battery charged all day. For the second day, it was charged all day yesterday. So now we're out here at 7:40 in the morning in our pajama pants, cruising, about to be quadding. So yeah, see how this goes.
Sitting at home.
Woo!